front, front, contract, contract, yes, contract, back, contract, release, contract, contract, release, contract, release, contract. Okay, continue on the side. Transfer your weight on your back leg. So imagine with JP, you're here. Come back in the center, the other way. Center, and open your arms. Relax.
Oh my god, this checks thing.
It's JP in front of you. Close your eyes. Enjoy. Try to give him mad vibe, like he needs to leave the dance floor, but he can't. Because the eyes flash. And then go back to your basic steps. Walking on the spot, right here. Yes. Shoulders. Back. And again. And on the beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And the more you can concentrate here, front. You feel like contract, I really contract my abs in order to have even more like grasp and control on it.
This
The
side is
center,
more.
yeah. Me too. I have to my leg is moving a little bit more. Then another move that guys like, the swing. Okay. How does it look like? You're gonna start here. 1, 2. So you balance side to side, and you bring it here.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing that video.
Oh yeah, and. She's getting into it.
I feel like I lost the rhythm.
And basic steps.